Hey guys, welcome to Pepcoding. Today we are going to learn a very interesting question of bit manipulation, minimum number of software developers. So let me just explain you the question on whiteboard only. So suppose you are given software developers and you require some skills. Suppose you require some skills, say A, B, C, D, E. I am naming them A, B, C, D, E. They are actually Java, Node.js, JavaScript, Python, like that, some skills. Okay. And here we are given few developers. Suppose say 5 developers. There are 5 software developers. Suppose say 0, 1, 3, 4. These are 5 developers. 0 developer have AB. This has CD. This has DE. This has ABC. This has CD and this has E. So I need to complete all my skill set. Okay. So when we come here, let's see. If I take this and the number 4, 0, 1 and 4, I'll get all my skills. If I take 0, 1 and 2, then also I would be getting, let me show you all the answers. 0, 1, 2, I'll get all my skills. Else I can add more to it, but these are the minimum numbers that I need to get. What else? If I just take this and this, or third and fourth, I would be getting my answer, right? So my possible answer, let me just okay, so this answer won't be existing now, because in that case it would be multiple answers and there is no such case. Constraint is there would be only single answer. Okay, so see this. If I take A, B, C, D and E, my work is done. If I take A, B, C, D and directly E, my work would be done again. Okay, so in this case I am required 3 engineers, 3 software developers, and here I just require 2. So I will take my answer as this, where I only require 2 software engineers, 2 developers. Okay, so how am I supposed to do this? If I say that we just do the bit, suppose there are 5 skills, so let me take 5 bits, 1, 2, 3, and name it A, B, C, D, and E. So if I say A is for this for number 0, it would be, let me write it here. For number 0, A is 1 and B is 1, rest all are 0. Yeah. Then CD are 1, rest are 0. Then ABCD are 1 and E is 0. And finally only E is 1 and everything else is 0. Okay. So if I do OR operation of these, then by doing OR of these two, I would be getting all the skills. That is, in OR operation, what we do, we take the union, we add everything. Basically, we are taking the union while doing OR. So everything would be 1. If everything is 1, if I am getting all my skills, then that means my answer is complete. Then I just need to check that how many numbers I have used, how many developers I have used to get this. If I do OR operation of this, this, and this, then also my answer would come. See, OR operation of this would result me 1 1 1 1 0, and finally that is the this one, this number. And then finally when I do OR of this with my last one, developer 4, I'll get the final answer. There are 2 possible answers, but I am interested in the answer in which minimum number of developers are required. Okay, so how am I supposed to do this? I know every developer has 2 choices. Either he can come or he cannot. First of all, everything is 0 0 0. Let me just do the dry run above only. Here only, let me do it. Would be much easier to question. Okay. So first of all, I have nothing. No skills are present. So everything is zero. So developer zero has choice, either he can come or not. Suppose he comes, then I would be getting this as my answer. If he don't, then my answer would remain same. Then developer one, either he comes or not. If developer one comes, then my answer would be this. Else it would be this. This also here also developer one has two choices: coming or not coming. Comes, then answer is this. Else answer is zero. Again, this has two choices. This has two choices. This has two choice. This has two choice for developer three. So for developer three, choices would be okay. Now when we come to developer three, if it comes, then my answer would be same. If it not comes, my answer would be still same, because in this case it hardly matters. Then here developer 4, he has few choices. Okay, here D was coming. Oh, yeah, for developer 2, if developer 2 comes, my answer was same. If developer 3 comes, still my answer would be same. And when developer 5 comes, all of this will be having my answers. Everything would be 1 1 1 1 1. I hope you are getting it. What I am trying to do here is, so all of these are possible answers, but I am interested in my best answer. My best answer would come somewhere here when I am not taking any developers. Then when I take developer number 3, that is index 3, fourth developer. Then when he comes, then my answer would be this, and he don't, then it would be this. Then when developer 5 don't come, my answer would be this, and when it comes, it would be this. You can dry run and complete the dry run yourself, because I have explained you what basically I'm doing. I'm giving everyone two choices if it comes or not. And when I reach this answer here, I have only included developer number 4 and 5, that is index 3 and 4. So that would be my answer. My answer would come in index, array would be printed with the index that would be in the array. Like this, you can see. Here is the answer. This is how it comes. Okay, now let me just show you. We have already written the pseudo code. It's the snippet of this code is this. What basically we are doing here is creating a hash map, assigning all the values here. How? Like this. When the skill comes, then corresponding to that, my integer comes. Okay. Mapping is done here. Then what I am going to do? I am going to take a number of developers, number of programmers, then create a people array of number of programmers. Then simply take the skills, that masking thing. Let me just, here we were doing this masking thing na? That everyone has some values, like this had 0 0 1 1 0, this had, sorry, this had 1 1 0 0 0, this had 0 0 1 1 0, this had 0 0 0 1 0, this had 1 1 1 1 0, this had 0 0 0 0 1. So this was some mask that was created. So I will be doing that. How? See, I'll simply take the string, take the snum, put it in the map. From the map, I would get my people I, then people I or one left shift snum. This will give me the mask. The mask work is being done here. Okay. Then simply call the solution and print the solution. So solution is basically my, if you can see, solution is a static array list. Okay. So I will update solution here in my solution function. Okay. The solve must be updated here. So we said everyone has two choices. So this is the people array. This is the n skills, that is the number of skills that I have. This is the current programmer. This is my array list. See here, I am passed people as it is, number of skills. Here the current programmer. Here a new array list, and here S map. This would be the map that would be created after I am including or not including. And if my final answer, see this work that we were doing, include, exclude, include, exclude, include, exclude, this work would be done by my skills map. Let me just rename it. Would be better if I rename this to S map, skill map. Okay, it would be easier to understand. Now let's quickly code. First, let me give the choice to the solution. If we don't include the current programmer, then what will be? People would be as it is, number of skills won't change, TP would increment, I'll go to next person, one solution as it is, and smap won't change because I'm not including it. It will remain same. So if I'm including it, then I'll add it in the console. So I'm adding it, then I have to remove it also. So console dot remove after the call. Here, remove what? Console dot size -1. This was call for no, not include. And now I will make call for include. So first add and then finally remove it also if that call gets waste. So here I will simply make the recursion call. This is my recursion call. People as it is, number of skills as it is. Uh, one solution, one solve. I have already added the CP. Current person would change and smap would change. Smap will become now smap or what? People of CP. The mask of that is stored in people of current person. That would be done or that is added. Okay. Now what? Base case. What would be the base case? If CP is equal to people dot length. So in that, if I got the answer, if I don't got the answer, firstly let me just return. I have to return if I don't get the answer as it is. If I get the answer, I need to check if my answer is there or not. So if I have my answer, so it would be in skills equal one left shift of in skills -1. So what I'm here doing is basically, let me show you. The number of skills were say 5. So if I left shift 1 by left shift 1 by 5, what will happen? I'll get 1 2 3 5 times 0 here. Okay, 5 zeros will be added here. Now what? If I subtract 1 from it, what will happen? If I am subtracting 1, then this will be like 1 would take and carry, this will become 0, this will be 1 would be carried from everywhere. So this will become 0 minus 1, 1, because here it would be 2, here 2, then from 2 it would be 1, 1, 1, 1, here at then 2. So 1 taken carry as it is. 1 was taken carry, so this would be my final answer. And if you see here, this was what I needed, 5 times 1 at the end. What this means? This basically means that all the values are there, and this must be equal to my S map. So S map equals to this. Don't need bracket here. Yeah. If this is true, then I need to update my answer. When will be I updating my answer? This means I have the answer, but I need to compare if my answer is optimum, if I have minimum number or not. So for doing that, I have this solution array. So if solution dot size is equal to 0, this means that solution does not exist. It hasn't created yet. Or one sol dot size is less than, that is the current solution is less than the previous solution. That means number of developers used in this solution are less than number of developers which were used in my last solution. In that case, what I need to do, I need to update my solution. So solution equals new array list one sol. This seems fine to me. Let's try to run this. Okay, let's submit it. So I hope you understood the problem and you liked the video. Please like, share and comment and subscribe to Pepcoding. Thanks for watching.